Let us show using property of integrals that 0 to pi x sin x divided 1 plus cos square x dx equal to pi square by 4. For that purpose, we assume I equal to 0 to pi x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. But let's recall the formula. 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. What it says is that you change x by a minus x, in this case a is pi, you replace x by pi minus x, then the integral remains same. Let this be equation 1. We change x by pi minus x. So this implies I equal to, as per our formula, this implies I equal to, as per our formula, we can replace x by pi minus x. We can replace x by pi minus x. We can replace x by pi minus x. Integral will not change. So I equal to that. Now, pi minus x as it is, but sine 180 degree minus theta or sine pi minus x is same as sine x. Sine 180 degree minus theta is sine theta. What about denominator? Cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta, but you have a square. So that will be just 1 plus cos square x. The denominator did not change because you have cos square. So let's write this as equation 2 and add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. I plus I, you will get 2i. 0 to pi as it is. X sin x by 1 plus cos square x. That's the integral for equation 1. Let's write the integral for equation 2 as well. 0 to pi as it is. Pi minus x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx dx. Now if your limits are same, then we can simply write this integral as 0 to pi x sin x. The denominator remains same, so we can just take common 1 plus cos square x. Numerator for the second integral is pi sin x minus x sin x. We are lucky enough to cancel x sin x from the numerator. So this integral is simply equal to integral 0 to pi. We can take pi out of the integration. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now if we write cos x as t, then this is dt, minus dt. So this is equal to minus pi tan inverse of cos x. Of course, we have limit from 0 to pi. Now cos pi is minus 1 and tan inverse of, so we have this as tan inverse of minus 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Cos 0 is 1. Tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. When you add it, you will get pi by 2. So that implies 2i equal to pi square by 2. Now again, if you take 2 to the right hand side, you have got I equal to pi square by 4. I equal to pi square by 4. So we have computed the required integral.